What if I told you that the most mind-blowing science experiments your kids will ever see are hiding in your kitchen right now? And the last one? It's so simple you'll wonder why you never thought of it. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're looking for ways to spark your child's curiosity and turn ordinary afternoons into epic learning adventures, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 Knob Summer science experiments that are guaranteed to wow your kids and keep them engaged. No fancy lab equipment needed. We'll go from fizzy volcanoes to DIY lava lamps and even a super cool density experiment. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a toolkit of easy, impactful science fun ready to go. All right, kicking things off with a legend, the fizzy volcano. It's a classic for a reason. What you need is super simple. A bottle, some Play-Doh or clay to build your volcano shape around it, baking soda, vinegar, and a drop of dish soap. Oh, and red food coloring, obviously. First, get your volcano structure ready. Then, load up the bottle with a few tablespoons of baking soda. The dish soap goes in next, just a squirt. And the food coloring, let's make it dramatic. Now for the magic. Pour in the vinegar and watch it erupt. This is the acid reacting with the base to create carbon dioxide gas that builds up pressure and whoosh, instant volcano. It's messy, it's fun, and it's a fantastic introduction to chemical reactions. Just make sure you do this on a tray or outside, but that fizzy reaction is just the beginning. Wait until you see how we can control a similar kind of energy to create a mesmerizing light show later on. Okay, experiment number 2, the DIY lava lamp. This one is pure visual wonder and teaches about density and chemical reactions too. Grab a clear jar or bottle and fill it about a quarter of the way with water, then top it off almost to the brim with vegetable oil so they don't mix. See how they don't mix? That's because oil is less dense than water and they're immiscible. Now add some food coloring and watch it sink through the oil and mix with the water below. Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few pieces and drop one in. The tablet reacts with the water to create carbon dioxide gas bubbles that attach to the colored water and make it float up. When the bubbles pop, the water becomes heavy again and sinks back down, creating a continuous, mesmerizing loop. Keep adding pieces of the tablet to keep the show going. It's amazing what simple reactions can do, right? But speaking of things rising and falling, our next experiment explores why things float or sink in the first place. This is the floating egg experiment, a fantastic way to teach about density. Fill both glasses with tap water and carefully place an egg in each glass. They sink because the egg is denser than the plain tap water. Now take the second glass and start adding salt, stirring it really well until the salt dissolves. Keep adding salt and stirring until the water is dense enough that the egg begins to float. This happens because adding salt increases the water's density, making the egg buoyant.